Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the export business of slip gauges from India. Slip gauges are used for precise measurement, calibration, and setting of dimension in engineering and manufacturing industries. India exports slip gauges to more than 20 countries, and these are the top destinations. And this product falls under Chapter 890, and the specific HSN code is 90173023. And more than 900 shipments took place for this product as reported on 11th of July 2025. And during the financial year 23-24, slip gauges exports had a total worth of 1.16 crores of Indian rupees. And between April 24 and August 25, the total worth of export reached 2.37 crores of Indian rupees. You can find suppliers and manufacturers in many cities in this country, and these are the top cities. I hope the information in this video will be useful for your export business, and request to leave a comment below and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. And if interested, please send a message to the WhatsApp number in this video to book a complimentary meeting and learn about the export business processes and compliance. Thanks for watching this video. Wish you a very successful export business journey.